4 unwanted habits which I am trying to get rid of, and I wanted to check with you if you are on the same page and what challenges you are facing because of them. Hello, my name is Prashant Kumar, author of the book Check In with Every Check-In. I help independent hoteliers scale their business, boost profits, boost ratings, and build a better performing team. So what are those 4 habits which are really of no use and at the same time they drain your energy and do not let you grow? The first one is worrying. I used to keep worrying most of the time for things which I assumed would happen. When I understood that out of these 60 to 70% even don't usually occur, then what is the use of being worried, stressed, and spoil my health? I trained my mind to think in a way that when any circumstances arise, I will find out the way to overcome it. The second one is regretting. Because something went wrong in the past, either because of me or my team, I kept regretting and thinking, I wish I could have done it differently. And that causes me a lot of stress. Isn't this senseless? When I can't go back in the past and correct them, then what is the use of wasting my precious time in regretting? Better to learn from those experiences and keep moving forward. The third one is fear. I was not taking actions wholeheartedly only because I was afraid of my thoughts. What if this won't work? What will people say? What if I lose my money as well as relationships? And when I shifted my thought process and started feeling thrilled about what if this will work and things move positively, I started taking actions which resulted in moving forward. I concluded that there is either learning or success. And the fourth thing was that I was surrounded by the people who do the same. And when I changed my environment, thoughts shifted and things became positive. Now when I learned that the key of being happy and more productive is to be surrounded by wise people. See what is in front of me, stay tuned with the moment and be present. Started focusing on my goals I have set, either short term or long term, which give me more confidence and happiness. So if you wish to become a part of the environment where we talk only about business growth and personal development, I am inviting you to join my Hotel Suppliers Elite Club, where we talk only about either business development or personal development. So click the button and join. Thank you. Bye for now.